Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be a try on haul, and I have a bunch of like loungewear, and then I have some jeans here. So we're just gonna get right into it because I honestly have things from two places. I got a bunch of Champion stuff from Akira, and then I got some jeans from Zara. So we're just gonna, jump right in. So the first thing that I have is a pair of Champion sweatpants, and I just wanted matching sweat sets, so I got this one in black, and these pants are a size extra small. Pretty much all of the stuff that I have from Champion is a size extra small. So these are what the pants look like. They have the big C logo, and yeah, nothing fancy about that. I just want to lounge in style, and Champion is in style right now, so that's what I got. So I got these sweatpants. Next, I got a sweatshirt to go with the sweatpants, and I chose this one with the big C, so it looked like they go together. But I really wanted the hoodie, but they didn't have it in my size, so I got this one, and this is an extra small as well. It's just a basic crew neck that just has the Champion logo and spelling on the front. So yeah, this is what this looks like. I do really like the Champion brand because it is actually really thick and warm and cozy sweat material, so why not? Moving right along, I got another pair of sweatpants, and these are in a gray color, and they have the smaller C logo on them, and again, these are in a size extra small. The extra small fits really nicely. It's not super tight, but it's not loose either. So yeah, and I'm pretty sure this is like men's. Yeah, these are men's pants, so this is an extra small in men's, and they fit really nicely. Like the waist is small, good material. It does have strings on the inside to tie the waist, but these fit really well, and they do have one pocket on the back, and I believe these have a pocket on the back as well. Yeah, they have pockets in the front, and then they have one lone pocket in the back, and then the bottom is cuffed as well. So I got these pants, and they didn't have the hoodie in my size that matches this gray, so I just ended up getting a t-shirt to go with it. So I got this white big C t-shirt in a size extra small. It fits really nicely. This shirt material is really nice and thick, so I do like that. So I got a short sleeve shirt. Moving right along, I got this gray Champion crew neck because I recently got those Yeezys that just came out, the bluish tint, but it's not really blue. It's more of a mint green color, just like this. So I got this crew neck to wear with those shoes, and it's honestly like a perfect match. Like, they look so cute together. Can't wait to wear it. So I got this crew neck in an extra small. And moving right along, this is the last thing that I got from Akira, and it's just this maroon colored hoodie. And yeah, you can't go wrong with a burgundy maroon color. I got this in an extra small as well, and I just think it's just gonna look so cute with no matter what I pair it with, which will probably be like a pair of blue jeans or black jeans. So the last things that I got are from Zara, and I got a bunch of jeans. So I'm gonna first start off with these jeans here. I ordered these from the website because they didn't have these in my local Zara, so I got these. These are, what are these? I believe these are the real high waist jeans in like a vintage print. I don't remember because I popped the back tag off. So yeah, these are in the 34, which is the US 2. They fit really nicely. They do have a faux rip at the knee. It has fabric behind it, so your knee really isn't exposed, which I absolutely love. And I just really like the wash of these jeans. They're just a really nice medium washed jeans, and they do have a little bit of distressing around the pockets, and I just like how expensive, that's the word I'm looking for. These jeans look expensive. They look really good quality. They are really good quality. I really love Zara jeans. and I just think they're just made so well. So these are what they look like, and they are skinny, so they do, you know, get skinny at the bottom. And then the next pair of jeans that I have, I actually got in store, and they are on sale. So I believe Zara's having their sale that they have like at the beginning of every year. So the next 3 jeans I got were on sale. So I got these for $22.99, and they're just, you know, some medium wash. I think these are like a medium wash jeans. These are a little high-waisted as well. These are the Embrace Silhouettes high waist. So I got these jeans in a 36, which is a US 4. You guys, I was in there trying on jeans. Like, I tried on a 32 and a 34, and I was like, what am I thinking? I cannot fit those sizes anymore. Okay, I'm slim thick over here. So I got these in a 36. They fit amazing. I mean, I've never had this happen to me before where, like, I can't fit something. I'm like, who am I? Like, am I finally gaining weight? Like, what is life? So yeah, I got these in a 36. They fit really good. I mean, granted, these do look small, so they're still small, but listen, it's a stepping stone. So I got these jeans. They fit really good. They fit nice and snug around the waist, and they were on sale. So what's the original price? The original price was, it's covered up, so I can't see, but yeah, I love these jeans here. So next I got a pair of gray, I think these are gray, yeah, these are gray. I got a pair of gray jeggings. These are jeggings, and they're high waist. These are in the 34. These fit really cute. They do get a little skinny at the bottom. I don't feel like they're like super skinny, but they stop like right at my ankle. So these cuffed are super duper cute. I got them in the 34. And yeah, they're just basic. There's nothing going on with them, no distressing or anything. They're just a really nice, simple pair of jeans that look really nice. Like, I love that this patch on the back is black, and I just think Zara jeans are just amazing quality. Like, if you want some really good jeans, I would definitely suggest Zara, because I mean, the quality is just amazing. It's just amazing. So I got these jeans here, and then the last pair of jeans I got are a darker wash jeans, and these are the high waist jeans in blend shaper blue. I got these in a 34. These fit so good. They look good. The wash is so pretty. I just love these jeans. I'm on like a jean binge right now. I just want a bunch of jeans, and I feel like I'm at a point where I have more bottoms than I have tops, so I need to stop buying bottoms and buy tops. So I got these jeans here, super cute. They're in a 34. The original price of these were $69.90, and I got them for $22.99. So I mean, I need more, okay? I need more. I need every color, okay? I got to have these. So I just love these jeans so much. They're really cute. They make your butt look amazing. You'll see, sis. They make your butt look so good. So yeah, I got these. And I mean, that's it. That's all I got. I have a couple more items that have yet to arrive, but I guess I'll show them when I get them, and you know, that'll be another haul in itself. This is more of like a casual laid back haul, even though I feel like most of my hauls are casual and laid back, but this is more like, there's no dresses, there's no skirts, there's none of that. This is just sweatsuits and jeans. So yeah, I'll be sure to list the items that I do have, if I can find them, in the info box for you guys. And yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this very simple basic haul, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.